Fish on. Snapper. I hope. Feels like a snapper to me. What's on him? Lil Sambo. I reckon that's what followed in my boat before, Sambo. Oh, there's a couple of Sambos there now. 2 Sambos. There we go, another nice snapper. Filthy bit of bait hanging off there. And Ikejime bleed, put it to the side again. Getting a bit of a collection going. Just need a harlequin fish or a jewfish or a nanny guy to top it off. I don't want to hook another Sambo. Massive school of salmon coming through. I might just try catch one quickly. It would make great bait. Let's see if I get an eat on that. Probably should come get my harness on. I mean, not my harness, but my rope on. Where'd they go? Yep, on. Unless that's something else. Gee, that feels heavy. That feels more than a salmon. I've hooked a bloody Sambo, I reckon. I think I have too. I think it's a Sambo. We'll come down here and try to land whatever it is. If it's a salmon or wincher, feels bigger. Could be a very big salmon. What is it? It's a Sambo. You gotta be kidding me. Oh. It's not what I wanted to catch, but anyway. Just a little Samson fish.